Live in a cold climate? Show your Kia vehicle some extra love this winter by following these 4 tips to get ahead of the wear and tear that comes with colder weather. First, check your fluid levels, tires, and your battery weekly. Check key items like your vehicle's tire pressure, wiper fluid, and antifreeze to ensure they're at optimal levels. Keep your fuel level above half full to help minimize cold weather problems. And watch for signs if colder temps are reducing your battery's power. Second, consider changing to winter tires, which can help with the challenges colder weather brings. They're formulated to stay flexible. They're specially designed to help hold the road more. And they can help your other tires last longer, since you switch them with the seasons. Third, keep your windows clear and your whole vehicle clean. Take the time to clear all your windows before any trip. When cold weather hits, switch to winter wiper blades too. Their shape helps prevent ice and snow buildup. Their winter rubber profile is designed to perform in snow and cold. And they're made of a compound of natural and synthetic rubber for durability. Get your vehicle serviced regularly, including a high-pressure wash to clean dirt, salt, and other debris that can build up. Finally, look out for yourself by building a roadside kit. Stock your Kia with items that can help with winter holdups: blankets, gloves, snacks, water, flashlights, window scraper and de-icer, jumper cables, a phone charger, emergency flares, even a bag of safety absorbent or cat litter to help you whip up extra traction in a pinch. Tackle winter driving with confidence this year, knowing you're prepared. And remember, the experts at your Kia dealership can help with all your vehicle parts, service, and maintenance needs.
Kia. Movement that inspires.